Привет, hello, and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am very nervously reviewing the December Glossybox. I'm nervous because maybe you've seen my last video. I got their mystery Cyber Monday box and it quite literally left a bad taste in my mouth. If you haven't seen it, check it out. I'll link it down below, but it was a not so pleasant box. So I'm a little bit nervous about December, even though generally I absolutely adore Glossybox and they give really great products. So just a little bit apprehensive, just a touch. And I've got my meowy Christmas shirt on. I'm ready for the holidays, and let's just dive in. So the theme for this month's box is best time of the year, and as you can see they did a pretty colorful box, which they usually do every other month. Once again, I live in France, so this is the French one. Typically varies slightly from the British one and a fair bit from the American one. So let's see what we have in this one. Alrighty, we got the cute little ribbon and pink papers. I didn't get the booklet that tells you what the products are and how much they're worth. And it's not in the box or this box. Glossybox, what are you doing to me? I'm just, oh no. In any case, this is what this month's box looks like. Let's grab the first item. I'll take this one because it's just staring at me. Okay, this is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Golden Eye Masks. Very cute little name. I got Wander Beauty in the advent calendar for Glossybox, which I'll leave down below as well in the links. But I really like eye masks. I think they're super fun and they make me feel like I'm awake again. There's no booklet, so I can't really tell you too much more about them. Wander Beauty, I think, is Korean. Yes. And basically, yeah, nourish dull, tired-looking skin. I'm excited for those. I really like that. And I'll look up all the prices because I don't have them in the book. So this guy usually goes in a 6-pack, but if you do a 1-pack and do the math, it's worth about €3.45. All right, next I'm gonna take this one, something that's super duper unique that I have never seen in a box before or actually had. This is the We Love Deodorant, We Love the Planet Forever Fresh Solid Deodorant. So this is a full-size product. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like, I want to say like tobacco and mint and freshness. Oh my gosh, I wish this was a perfume almost. This is, so made in the Netherlands, which is very cool. We got an international box so far. 48 grams. This is awesome. It smells amazing. I wish I had the booklet so I could read a little bit more about it. I'm assuming, yeah, it picks up super well. And I suppose you just put it on with your fingers. It smells amazing. I'm actually gonna have so much fun wearing this deodorant. I find some girls' deodorant a little bit more like just pretty and have a nice smell, but don't necessarily work so well. I've used my fiance's deodorant a few times and it works like 10 times better than most girl ones, so I'm actually super excited about this. And this guy, looking online, is worth €11.90, which for the size, and I'll see how long it lasts, I think is a really good price, and it's all vegan, naturally sourced. Awesome, very happy with that one. Okay, next, it's all kind of hidden in the little papers. I'm gonna take this out. This is the Symbiosis London Glycolic Acid and RNA Overnight Rejuvenating Eye Serum. So this, first of all, looks super fancy and like it's one of those expensive brands. We'll see in a second when I look up the price. Like it looks really good, anti-aging, overnight. I love eye serums, especially because I'm a pretty smiley person, so I definitely am already starting to see the very fine lines from crow's feet, which makes my heart sad. So I'm definitely excited to try something like this, and as an eye product, this seems to me like it's full size. Let's see how much that costs. Holy crap. This is full size and it's worth €115. Oh my god. This is kind of like the advanced skincare situation. 115 at least. Okay, at least unlike Avant, this is like a big full-size product, but oh my god, I would never, I'm sorry, I'm not in the place in my life where I would spend that much on skincare, but holy crap, I'm gonna save this. I'm getting married next year. I'm gonna save this to before the wedding so that I look like the fresh young bride that I'm supposed to be. Oh my god, €115. I mean, definitely above the value of the box already, but that's awesome. Looks really good. The reviews seem to be awesome for this, so excited to try that. And wow. Next we got, ooh, okay, this is by Nudestix. It's the Gel Color Lip and Cheek Balm, and I have the shade Siren, which obviously, as you can see by the tip, is a lovely, lovely red. I've never actually tried Nudestix, and I'm super excited. Red, of course, Christmas, December. I'm happy they put a red color in, because it's meant to be, you know? And I've seen a lot about Nudestix. Usually they come in the little metal black tin. Obviously they didn't do that for this month's box, but I'm super excited to try it. I think, yes, and it's a Canadian brand. Everything has been pretty international so far. We got 4 different countries for 4 products. It's pretty cool. So I looked into this one. Typically, the full size is 2.8 grams, but this is 2.5. I don't know how or why that happened, but if I adjust the math to account for the 0.3 gram product loss, this guy is worth €19.15. So that's really, really good, and it's awesome that it's both for lips and cheek. I don't really have any sort of red cheek product, so I'm excited to try that, but that's really, really great. And last, but hopefully not least, I actually saw this. I follow Glossybox France and England, and I saw this as a sneak peek on the British one. Wasn't sure if it would be in the French one. We have Nailberry London Oxygenated nail polish. So I've heard about this before. I don't really know how, but it's supposed to be more breathable nail polish. I don't necessarily ever feel like my nails do or don't breathe, so I'm curious to see how this feels. Imagine, no, we can't breathe. But this is the most stunning color. Oh my god, the name! It's called Strawberry Jam. And I agree, like, this is exactly what some strawberry jams look like. And I love that it's not just this typical standard red that you get every year at Christmas. It's a really gorgeous, bright, but not so bright, berry reddish color. Ooh, and the brush tip that I like. Oh my gosh, I have to put this on right now. Oh my goodness, you guys. I did 1 coat and it already looks better than half the nail polishes I know. Well, that I have, I mean, but oh my goodness, it already looks like I have gel nail polish on. Hopefully it dries the way it went on, and I can only imagine with 2 coats. This looks amazing. Yeah, and obviously British brand, because it's, oh well, Paris, London, Nailberry. Oh my goodness, I really like this. I might have to get a few more if it stays this good. But I love that color, love the bottle, and I'm really happy with this one. So this guy is, of course, full size and worth €13.95. Awesome. Let's go on to my final thoughts. All right, what was December's box like? First of all, a little bit bummed out that there was no booklet. I really like going through the booklets and reading about the products and having the sizes, the prices, a little bit more information. So that was a bummer. Stop disappointing me, Glossybox. But yeah, I upon first reflection, right, I was kind of like, oh, I thought there would be something a bit more pizzazzy in the December box, because it is Christmas, it's end of the year, you know, we want something big. Like even Birchbox, as much as I'm frustrated with them from time to time, they managed to get a full eyeshadow palette into their December box, and they cost less than Glossybox. So that was a little bit like, okay. But upon reflection, I really do love this box. Like, I'm very pleasantly surprised by this solid deodorant. It smells so good. I wish I could give you the smell. Maybe in the future, like in Ready Player 1 and 2, we'll have haptic suits and neural connections. We can smell through the screen, but this I'm super excited about, very unique. Obsessed with this Nailberry nail polish. I literally can't wait to finish filming so I can do all my nails with this. Red, like, they did the checkbox, a red product, and it's a 2-in-1 by a really great brand. €115 skincare. Heck yeah, and I love eye creams, and then gel patch. Like, it just is the perfect kind of mix. I mean, like I said, a little bit more makeup-y, something fancy, some sort of a palette would have been really, really cool for the end of year. But that aside, I'm really quite happy with the box. So yeah, good end to the year. Could have been a little bit more magical. Nonetheless, all the products individually are super awesome, and I'm very excited to actually sincerely use them all. As always, I will put the total value of all of the products in 3 currencies here for you to see and have a think and see if you want to subscribe. I'm probably going to do a video at the end of the year just reviewing favorite products and whatnot, but aside from the horrific incident with the Glossybox, the Cyber Monday Glossybox that I had, I adore Glossybox. I think they're so good, and for the value and price and the products you get, you really can't beat that. I can't complain, except for the Cyber Monday box. But I really do love them, and so if you're considering maybe for next year starting a subscription or keeping it going, I can't recommend Glossybox enough. They're clever, their packaging is awesome, the products so far, I don't think there's been, again, except for Cyber Monday box, any product that I've received that has been really disappointing. So if you're wondering, I would say go for it. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate all of the views and comments and interaction lately. In my last video, I'm shocked, almost got 1,000 views in 24 hours, which to me is basically the equivalent of going viral. So thank you so much to everybody who watched that, commented, liked, and got in touch with me. I really appreciate it. Let me know your thoughts on this month down below. What was in your December box, especially if you're in another country. I'm always curious to see what other people get. And if you haven't already, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have several new videos every week, and hopefully I can keep that train going, but at the very least, you'll always see one new video from me a week. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and I will hopefully catch you guys in the next one. Bye!